Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of Liwihas clip-in extensions, the perfect solution for black women seeking a full head of 3C4A kinky curly hair with Brazilian Remy human hair that promises a natural look and feel. These extensions are crafted from 100% unprocessed Brazilian Remy human hair, ensuring no tangles or shedding, and they offer a soft, healthy, and comfortable experience that can be restyled and dyed to match your unique style. With lengths ranging from 14 to 24 inches, each set includes 8 pieces with 18 clips, weighing 120 grams, and featuring a double weft design that maintains thickness from top to end without any unpleasant smell. Installation is a breeze, allowing you to transform your look in just 5 minutes and enjoy instant glamour with a natural, full appearance. For best results, use a hair extension ring brush, starting from the ends and working your way to the roots, ensuring your extensions stay beautiful and tangle-free. Remember, selecting the right length and volume for your hair is crucial, and if you encounter any issues, our dedicated team is ready to assist you with solutions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.